Kia ora. Local news for Tuesday the 10th of December. Applications for the Tuia membership program are closing this Friday. Tuia is open to Māori aged 18 to 25 to assist in building leadership skills and interest in governance through the likes of community projects. Health Minister Dr David Clark says new appointments to DHB represent a significant changing of the guard. District health boards play a vital role in delivering healthcare to all New Zealanders. It's critical they are well led and well governed. Sir Paul Collins is one of only 6 nationwide to be reappointed as a chair. And Wairarapa man Major Jade Hamilton has been with deployment to Camp Taj in Iraq, mentoring soldiers to fight terrorism. Major Hamilton was a member of the 9th New Zealand Defence Force contingent deployed to Camp Taj and was raised in Kahutara and attended Kiranui College in Greytown and was attracted to sign up in 2007 by army posters placed around the school. And finally in sport, the Hobart Combs Wairarapa men's cricket side have beaten Wanganui over the weekend on first innings. Brock Price top scoring with the bat with 43 and Quinn Childs taking an impressive 4 for 23. For local news and sport, I'm Brent Gare.